Children, look here. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? Children, yes, plant. What is this? Children, tell me what is this? Plant. Very good. What is this? Plant. Come on, now let's start. How? Let's start the parts of the plant. What are the parts of the plant? Come on, children, look here. Don't talk. Don't talk, children. Look here. Come on, look here. Come on, children, look here. Whenever you see a plant, you can see this much, right? It's falling down. See, look here, children. Whenever you see a plant, you can see this much, right? We cannot see what is under the ground. Yes or no? Yes. Whenever you see a plant, you can see this much only, right, children? Yes. But under the ground, we have roots like this. Look here, children. Look here. These are roots. What are these? These are roots. Under the ground, we have roots. Okay. Okay, children. Whenever we look at a plant, we can see this much upside. Look at my Look here, we can see this much only. But under the ground, we can see roots. Oh, wow. See, look here, children. These are roots. What are these, children? These are roots. But under the ground, we have roots like this. See, look here, children. These are roots. What are these? These are roots. These roots we cannot see outside, right, children? These roots we cannot see outside. We can see only the plant. We can see only the plant. We cannot see these roots. Come on, children. Now let's see what is there under the ground. Look here. If we look under the ground, we have roots like these. Oh, wow. There are roots here. Look here, children. Are you able to see the roots? Children, are you able to see the roots? These are roots, children. Children, are you able to see the roots? Yes or no? Yes. Oh my God. We never knew it, right? Every plant has roots under the soil. Okay, very good. See, look here, children. Now let's come and up. See upside. Oh, it's just plant. Look here. It's just a plant. It's just a plant. Yes, children, it's just a plant. If we'll go and take under, here, roots are there. Here, roots are there. Okay, children. Okay, children, let's go down and see. Come on, children, let's go down and see what is there in down. What is there in down? Yes, here are some roots. What is there? Yes, here are some roots. Very good. Here are some roots. And do you know, children, some vegetables also have, some vegetables also grow inside the ground, like carrot, potato, like this. Some vegetables also grow under the ground. Some vegetables also grow under the ground. That one we can learn in further classes. But let's learn about parts of the plant. Tell me, children, what is this? Children, tell me, what are these? Yes, very good. What are these? These are roots. Yes, very good. What are these? These are roots. Children, here we see roots under the soil. Where we can see the roots? We can see the roots under the soil. If you pluck out the plant from soil, if you pluck out the plant from soil, we can see the roots. If you pluck out the plant from the soil, you can see the roots. Yes, children? Okay? If you pluck out the plant from the soil, you can see the roots. These are roots. What are these, children? These are roots. What are these, children? These are roots. Come on, everybody say it. Tell it loudly. Roots. Come on, tell it loudly. Roots. Roots. Okay. Now next tell me what are these? Do you know what are these? Very good. Leaf. Right. I will just pluck one and I will show you. See, look here. What is this? What is this? This is leaf. Leaf is in which color, children? Leaf is in which color? Is it in yellow color? No. Is it in red color? No. Yes. Very good. It is in green in color. It is in green in color. See, look here. So many leaves are there. Look this. Look this. See, look here. So many leaves are there. Yes. We have so many leaves. And I will show you this one. See, look here, children. This is stem. What is this? This is called stem. Children, tell me what is this? This is called stem. Come on, everybody say it loudly. What is this? It is called stem. Come on, everybody repeat along with me. Stem. 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 Yes, very good. Stem. Now these are called, tell me children, these are roots. These are roots. Yes, children, tell me. These are roots and these are leaves. Leaves, leaves, and this is stem. What is this? Stem. What is this, children? Stem. And look here, children. Can you see here what is this? Can you see here what is this? Here so many are there. What are these? What are these? Yes, very good. Flower. What are these? Flower. And do you know what are these? Do you know what are these? Children, do you know? Yeah, that one. Yes, finish. Flower is finished. Now can you tell me what are these? These- Yes, bud. What are these children? This is bud. What is this? This is bud. From this only we will get the flower. From this bud only we will get the flower. What is this children? This is bud. 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 And this is flower. Flower. Come on everybody say flower. Can it loudly flower? And you know children some plants also have fruit. See look here this is fruit. See, look here. This is fruits. We will get moong dal from this. We will get moong dal from this. This is fruit. What is this? Fruit. And see here one sunflower, one flower also there here. This is flower. Children look carefully. What is this? This is flower. Flower. Very good. And this one? This is bud. What is this? This is bud. Bud. Yes. Now children tell me what are the different types of parts of plant? What are the different parts of plant? Roots. Come on everybody repeat after me. Parts of the plant. Parts of the plant. Come on everybody repeat after me. Parts of the plant. Roots. 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 Leaves. 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 Leaves, stem, 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 flower, 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 Bird. So say bird. This is bud. What is this? This is bud. Bud. What is this? This is bud. Bud. Not bird. This is bud. B-U-D. Bud. What is this? This is bud. Okay, children. Come on, everybody. Once again, tell me what are the different parts of plant? Roots. Come on, everybody. Repeat along with me. Repeat after me. Come on, children. Roots. Roots. Leaves. Leaves. Stem. 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 Flower. 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 Fruits. Some plants also have fruits, children. I showed you, no. Right now I showed you, no. Fruits and bud. And bud. These are the parts of the plant. Okay, children? These are the parts of the plant.